Hello friends, my name is Aniket Kakre and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about the light painting photography. So basically light painting photography means you have to move a light source in the air as you are painting and have to click the photos. If you talk about camera settings, you have to set your shutter speed as low as possible. Because of lower shutter speed, you will get a long exposure.
My camera, I have set the shutter speed at 6 and aperture to 10. So your settings should also be like this. You can move your mobile in different shapes and designs which will be looking very good in your photo.
Hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, so please subscribe to our channel, and if you want to explore such more content, so please make sure to click on the bell icon. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.